Jailhouse Tours, Emily speaking. Hello. Yeah, I'll just transfer you through to him.
Hello.
Hello Joel, I've got Morgan Freeman on the phone for you.
Yeah, no, I'll take that call. Hello, Mr. Freeman. How are you?
Hello, I'm doing wonderful. Just trying to be Morgan Freeman and trying my best not to be hypnotized by the sound of my own voice. It's a big challenge. It really is a big challenge.
How can I help you, Mr. Freeman?
Well, I've heard about the wonderful things you are doing with Gloucester and Shepton Mallet Prison with your tour, and I would love to offer my assistance.
Well, that's great. I think you mean Gloucester Prison, but what did you have in mind?
Well, as you know, in Shawshank Redemption, I was the inspiration behind Andy Dufresne crawling through miles of poopy poo and the foulest stench you could possibly imagine to freedom as he traveled to Zihuatanejo, and I believe you should name the wing of the prison as Zihuatanejo Hall.
That's interesting. It's not the easiest word to remember.
Well, that's where I come in. My voice, the voice of Morgan Freeman, will echo through the halls of the prison with my dulcet tones, reminding everyone of a place of peace and tranquility called Zihuatanejo. My voice will take you there.
Well, thanks, Mr. Freeman. I'm looking forward to it.
Goodbye, and let me know how I can help. I'm the guy that can get you things.
Thank you, Mr. Freeman, and we'll speak again soon. Take care. Bye.
Goodbye.